The reason I got into gardening was a few years ago, I lost a husband. We had went through 8 years of very bad sickness. He had strokes, heart attacks, diabetes. It really took its toll on me. And when he passed away, I guess I was a lot more depressed than what I thought I was, because I saw the doctor that had taken care of him, and she saw me and she came up to me and she wanted to put me on medication, and that for depression. And I told her no, that I did not want to go on any kind of antidepressants. So she told me, well, I want you to promise me that you will do something, that you will get a hobby, and that you will stick to that hobby. Do something that you really enjoy, really put your heart and soul into it, and if that doesn't help, if you're still depressed, then I want to put you on medication. Well, I started walking. It was winter time when she told me this, so I started walking a lot, and that helped, and I liked getting out walking. When it got springtime, I started planting flowers around my house. I just kept buying more pots and more flowers and setting stuff up, and it just became an obsession with me, and it just really did help. And so if you are struggling, going through a hard time in your life, or you are depressed because you've lost a loved one or some other reason, get out there and start working in the yard. Enjoy nature. It's amazing watching the different things grow, how fast they grow. Even pulling weeds is therapeutic. So get out there and pull some weeds. Plant a flower, whether it is vegetables or flowers, whatever it is. Get out there and work in nature. Enjoy life.